A deep blue problem, the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. This is one of the most alarming environmental issues of our time. The Pacific Ocean is vast, covering more than 63 million square miles. It is the largest and deepest of Earth's oceanic divisions. It is home to many creatures, from the tiniest plankton to the largest whales. This diverse ecosystem is crucial for the health of our planet. We see its blue surface often calm and serene, a picture of natural beauty. But below, there is a problem, a hidden menace that threatens marine life and the health of our oceans. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch, or GPGP, lurks within. This massive collection of marine debris is a testament to human negligence. It is huge, twice the size of Texas and growing every day. The scale of this pollution is almost unimaginable. This patch is a swirling soup of plastic and trash, a chaotic mix of waste that endangers marine life. It is a shocking sight in our beautiful ocean, a stark contrast to the pristine waters we imagine. This is not a solid island of trash. Instead, it is a dispersed collection of debris spread over a vast area. It is more like a hazy soup, filled with tiny plastic particles known as microplastics. This soup is filled with plastic pieces of all sizes, from large discarded items to microscopic fragments. The GPGP is a stark reminder of our impact on the planet. It highlights the urgent need for global action to address plastic pollution. It shows how far our waste can travel and the harm it can cause. The journey of this plastic waste is a call to action for all of us. Swirling currents, trapped trash. How the patch formed. How did this huge patch of trash appear? The answer lies in ocean currents. These currents move in a circular pattern. They are called gyres. The North Pacific Gyre is responsible for the GPGP. This gyre pulls debris from all directions. It acts like a giant whirlpool. Trash from the coasts of North America and Asia ends up trapped in its currents. Over time, more and more waste accumulates. This forms the patch we see today. Human actions are directly feeding this growing environmental problem. What lies beneath? The composition of the GPGP. The GPGP is a mixture of different types of waste. A lot of it is plastic. Plastic lasts for a long time in the environment. It breaks down into smaller pieces called microplastics. These microplastics are a big concern. Microplastics are like tiny sponges. They absorb harmful chemicals from the water. Marine animals mistake these plastic bits for food. This leads to starvation and poisoning. The GPGP is a stark reminder that our trash doesn't just disappear. It impacts the environment in dangerous and long-lasting ways. Section 4. A Sea of Trouble Impact on Marine Life. The vast expanse of our oceans, once teeming with life, is now under threat from human activities. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is a death trap for marine life. This massive collection of plastic and debris spans thousands of miles, creating a hazardous environment for ocean creatures. Animals get entangled in the debris. These entanglements can cause severe injuries, restrict movement, and often lead to a slow and painful death. They mistake plastic for food. Consuming plastic can block their digestive systems, leading to malnutrition and starvation. Sea turtles are particularly vulnerable. These majestic creatures often mistake plastic bags for jellyfish, their primary food source. They often eat plastic bags thinking these bags are jellyfish. Seabirds are also affected. Many seabirds ingest plastic, mistaking it for fish or other prey. Albatross chicks are fed plastic by their parents. The adult birds unknowingly collect plastic debris, believing it to be food, and feed it to their young. They cannot digest this plastic, which leads to starvation and death. The ingested plastic fills their stomachs, leaving no room for actual nourishment. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is a tragic example of how human actions are harming innocent creatures. The impact is far-reaching, affecting not just individual animals but entire ecosystems. We must find ways to protect our oceans and the life within them. Through collective efforts, such as reducing plastic use and participating in cleanup initiatives, we can make a difference. Section 5. Turning the tide solutions and hope for the future. The problem seems huge, but we can still make a difference. Every small effort counts, and together, we can create a significant impact. Organizations like the Ocean Cleanup are working tirelessly to remove plastic from the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Their innovative solutions are making a real difference. They use special barriers to collect the floating debris, preventing it from harming marine life and ecosystems. But it's not just about cleaning up. we need to stop plastic from entering the ocean in the first place. Simple changes in our daily lives can make a big difference. We can reduce our use of single-use plastic by opting for reusable items. Proper recycling is also crucial to ensure that plastic doesn't end up in our oceans. Supporting companies that prioritize sustainability and eco-friendly practices can drive larger systemic changes. Every purchase we make can be a vote for a healthier planet. The future of our oceans depends on us taking action today. By working together and making conscious choices, we can ensure that future generations inherit a cleaner, healthier ocean.